Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best screen roller is probably one of the most innovative gadgets I've come across in a while. It's designed to make your screen time more enjoyable and less of a strain on your eyes. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to binge watch, this device promises to revolutionize the way you interact with your screens. So, let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. Number 5. DOCA Fiberglass Screen Mesh, Window, Patio, Porch. This fiberglass screen replacement is built for durability. Its heavy-duty design ensures it holds up well in various conditions, providing a long-lasting solution for your windows, doors, and patios. The anti-wrinkle material is flexible and durable, making it easy to tailor to your specific needs. It's tear-resistant and simpler to work with than metal screens, ensuring a perfect fit for any project. This screen expertly keeps out mosquitoes and other insects. You can enjoy your summer nights without the annoyance of buzzing and biting, thanks to this high-quality screening solution. The screen features a meticulously engineered 18 by 16 weave. This design provides robust insect protection while allowing for optimal sun screening. It also ensures enhanced visibility, so you can enjoy the outdoors. With this enclosure, you can keep your doors and windows open, enjoying filtered sunlight while keeping insects out. Raise the shade and relax in peace, without any unwelcome critters bothering you. What we like. This screen mesh is built to last, offering exceptional durability for all your screening needs. It's also incredibly easy to customize, making it perfect for any window or door. If you are looking for a long-lasting and easy-to-install solution to keep insects out, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This screen was used to screen in my 25-year-old deck, with all the warped pieces, settled footings, etc. I purchased a 50-foot roll. It is at least 60 feet. High quality. So if you're anything like me, you were worried about quality because you can't see it before you buy. Don't worry about it looking or feeling cheap, it's got high quality look and feel. Strong. Typical strength of screen, it's not going to repel hail or anything. But this is the same quality you'd find in an upscale home, done by a pro. Number 4. King&Charles Screen Roller Tool for Window Mesh. This screen roller tool features a solid wood handle and double carbon steel bearing metal wheels. The handles are hard and crack-free. The wheels are thickened and enlarged, making it suitable for various window and door types. The set includes 2 different wheels, cams and recessed rollers. This compact tool is easy to carry and helps you get the job done efficiently. It's a great helper for replacing screens at home. Installing a screen is much easier with this tool. It's comfortable to hold, and the wheels roll smoothly. This economical tool adds great value to any screen repair job, big or small. The wood handle is ergonomically designed for easy grip. The steel wheels are smooth, and the hooks are sharp. It makes removing old battens simple. The tool has a convex steel roller on one end and a concave steel roller on the other. This combination allows for effective and precise screen and spline installation. What we like. This screen roller tool is made with quality materials and designed for ease of use, making screen replacement a breeze. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, even during extended use. If you have multiple screens to repair or replace, this tool will save you time and effort. What people say. The screen roller works great. The screen roller is easy to use. The screen roller is well designed. Number 3. Primeline P7505 Screen Rolling Tool. This screen rolling tool is a must-have for anyone replacing window and door screens. It's an economical and valuable tool for both small and large screen repair projects. It works with most screening materials. The tool features a wooden handle and steel convex and concave roller wheels, ensuring durability. The metal wheels are resistant to abrasion, and the wooden handle provides a comfortable grip. Installing screens becomes much easier with this tool. It's designed to be comfortable in your hand, and the wheels roll smoothly to insert the screen and spline into the frame. It features a combination of a convex and a concave steel roller. This design allows it to work with a variety of spline sizes, making it a versatile tool for different screen projects. This steel roller tool is designed to work with vinyl screen spline sizes ranging from 0.115 inch to 0.165 inch in diameter. This makes it suitable for a wide range of screen repair needs. The tool's steel rollers are built to last. The convex and concave design ensures a secure and effective installation of the screen. The wooden handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to use for extended periods. This feature enhances the overall user experience. What we like. This screen rolling tool is built to last, featuring a sturdy wooden handle and durable steel rollers. It makes installing screens much easier, with smooth rolling wheels that get the job done quickly. If you're tackling a screen repair project, this tool is a must-have for its ease of use and durability. What people say. It worked well. Great tool and does the job well. It works as advertised. Number 2. Primeline MP7503 Screen Rolling Tool. Introducing the Primeline MP7503, the perfect tool for screen repair. This tool makes installing or replacing screens a breeze, ensuring a tight and professional fit. Featuring durable nylon rollers, this tool is designed for longevity. The rollers smoothly guide the spline into the frame, providing consistent pressure. The ergonomic plastic handle provides a comfortable grip. This design allows for extended use without hand fatigue, making the job easier. This tool is designed for splines ranging from 0.115 to 0.165 inches. It ensures a secure fit for various screen types, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. Before purchasing, please refer to the line art drawing for dimensions. Comparing the measurements with your needs will ensure the tool is the perfect fit for your project. What we like. This screen rolling tool features nylon rollers for smooth operation and a plastic handle for a comfortable grip. It's designed to work with a range of spline sizes, making it versatile for different screen projects. If you need a reliable tool for various screen types, this one is a great option. What people say. I read several reviews of this type tool. I agree that a plastic wheel tool is forgiving of the inevitable slip of the hand that with a metal wheel, would result in a cut screen and a wasteful do-over. I'll leave the more durable metal wheel to the pros. I did 10 big screens with this tool and it is still working well. 1 or 2 passes with the U-shaped wheel to set the spline, then a pass or 2 with the other wheel to push the spline as deep as possible. If I wear this out, I'll buy another. I use this with plastic screen material. Works just as well as a metal one. Probably safer in not damaging the screen rubber. If you're a DIYer like myself and have found yourself in a situation of needing to rescreen your windows, I highly recommend this tool. It's very durable, has 2 different sizes depending on the diameter of roping you're using to rescreen, and best of all, if you slip off it doesn't puncture cut rip your screening like the metal ones will. Number 1. Primeline B638 Screen Door Tension Spring with Roller. This is a tension spring with a roller, designed for screen doors. It's a replacement part for Academy doors, and comes in a pack of 2. This will help you fix your screen door. This spring is specifically designed for use on mono screen doors. It's a reliable component that helps ensure your door functions smoothly. Make sure this is the right part for your door. The spring features a 1 to 3/4 inch length with a unique offset bend. This design provides the necessary tension for proper screen door operation. It's built to last and withstand regular use. It includes a 1-inch diameter concave roller. This roller ensures smooth and quiet door movement. The design helps the door glide effortlessly. The spring is heat-treated in AV style, and the roller is made of high-density polyethylene. This combination provides durability and long-lasting performance. It's a quality component designed for your screen door. Before purchasing, please refer to the line art drawing and compare it with your existing part. This is not a universal product, so make sure it matches your needs to ensure a perfect fit. What we like. This screen door tension spring is specifically designed for Academy doors, ensuring a perfect fit and smooth operation. It features a durable tension spring and a high-density polyethylene roller. If you have an Academy screen door that needs a replacement part, this is the ideal solution. What people say. Worked just fine and now the screen door rolls easily. Now I can open and close the screen with a finger. Needed this for my RV screen door. Works wonderful. No issues. Easily changed out for the broken ones that were on there. Glides nicely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.